You have felt it before. That moment when someone walks into the room and everything changes. Your heart beats faster, your palms sweat, your mind goes blank. You tell yourself it is nothing, but inside your brain, something extraordinary is happening. Something so powerful, so chemically violent, that scientists have compared it to one thing: cocaine. This is what actually happens inside your brain when you fall in love. It starts the moment you see them. Your brain's reward system, the same pathway activated by food, success, and survival, lights up like a power grid. But not slowly, instantly. Neuroscientists at Rutgers University, led by Helen Fisher, used MRI brain scans to study people who had just fallen in love. What they found stunned the entire scientific community. The caudate nucleus, a deep brain region involved in reward and motivation, showed explosive activation. The same region that lights up in drug addiction, the same region that makes you crave more. Your brain does not experience love as an emotion, it experiences love as a hunger. And then the chemicals begin. First, dopamine floods your system. Dopamine is your brain's reward chemical. It creates the rush, the excitement, the obsessive thinking. It is why you cannot stop thinking about them. It is why your mind replays every conversation, every smile, every moment. Your brain is not being romantic, it is being addicted. But dopamine is just the beginning. Next comes norepinephrine, the same chemical released during fear. This is why love and fear feel almost identical. Heart pounding, palms sweating, mind racing. Your body cannot tell the difference between falling in love and running from a predator. Both feel exactly the same. And then, the most powerful chemical of all. Serotonin drops. While dopamine surges, serotonin actually decreases. A 2025 study from the University of Pisa found that people in the early stages of love had serotonin levels comparable to people diagnosed with obsessive-compulsive disorder. That is not poetic. That is clinical. Love, at a chemical level, shares the same brain pattern as OCD. The intrusive thoughts, the constant preoccupation, the inability to think about anything else. Your brain is not in love. Your brain is obsessed. Now here is where it gets even stranger. Your brain literally changes shape when you fall in love. Oxford University researchers discovered in 2026 that romantic love triggers neuroplasticity, the physical rewiring of neural pathways, creating entirely new connections in the prefrontal cortex. The person you love becomes literally built into your brain. Their face, their voice, their name, hardwired into your neural architecture. This is why heartbreak feels like physical pain, because it is. When a relationship ends, those neural pathways do not disappear immediately. They stay. They fire. They search for the person who is no longer there. Heartbreak is not emotional weakness. It is your brain trying to run a program that no longer has an output. And finally, the chemical that makes love last. Oxytocin. Called the bonding hormone, oxytocin is released during physical touch, eye contact, and deep conversation. It builds trust. It creates attachment. It turns the chemical storm of early love into something deeper, something that rewires not just your brain, but your entire identity. Because here is the truth science has discovered. Love does not just change how you feel, it changes who you are. The neural pathways built during deep love reshape your decision-making, your memories, your sense of self. You are literally a different person after loving someone deeply. Not metaphorically, neurologically. If this changed how you see love, drop a comment below. If this changed how you see love, drop a comment below. And subscribe to Inner Glitch, because next week we are going somewhere even stranger inside the human brain. See you there.